Check this out. This thing just walk up like nothing. What's up, guys? I'm back with another vibes. Check this out. We got another new vehicle here for you guys. And today we at Granite Bay. So we're going to take it on the rocks and show you straight out of the box what it can do. Now, no other than the RedCat Ascent Fusion is inside this box. And guys, trust me, I'm excited over this one. Check this out, guys. Another Fusion for you guys. You know, the Fusion is so good that I couldn't just have one, guys. I needed two. So here it is, another Ascent Fusion. And today, we're definitely going to put that to the test. We're out here on Granite Bay. And trust me, it's a nice cloudy day. It's wet out here. So you know, we're going to do this for you guys. We're going to show you how this thing walk on the rocks, how it perform, what it can do straight out of the box. You know, RedCat set this up for us, so we don't have to change anything. All I gotta do is put a battery in here and we'll be good to go. Alright, so we got the radio. When I first saw the radio, guys, I thought like, whoa, would that really work good with the Ascent? But trust me, this thing pay up so nice and so smooth. I don't even need to use my Fly Sky GT5. This is just working so good, you know. Manual, you don't know. I try on my first Fusion to put on the stickers. The stickers is not fitting the wheel, guys. So I think they make that for the regular Ascent. Yeah, we got a couple zip ties we got to take up on this one. I take my pick and just kind of open up the hole right here and loosen the zip ties. You can pull this off now. Pretty simple vibes. So now we can take this off. Now check this out. Of course, you know it's carbon fiber chassis. All metal upper links and lower links right here. The diff cover is aluminum, beautiful. Skid plates is nice and smooth. Tires is vented. Beadlock wheels that you can remove right now and, you know, put aluminum wheels. 1800 kV Fusion motor. And on the servo, we got a metal servo horn. Front bumper is metal. The design back here is different than the regular Ascent. They put some clips and they poke the hole, so they extend that piece right here so the body don't flip off and jump around anymore. All braces are metal. Look like hardened steel, you know. Pretty nice. Shocks, oil-filled shocks, and red and black accent. Beautiful. Let me pull those clips and get underneath the cab and show you. So we're just gonna push this back, pull this up just like so. And we push in a 12-tooth pinion gear with a 32 spur gear. Pinion is metal, spur gear is plastic. So what that does, that keep the vehicle running smooth and quiet, you know. Let's see if you can see the pinion. Right, there's the pinion down there. It's metal pinion. Let's see if I can point it out for you. Metal pinion gear down here, right there. And the spur gear, which is a plastic one. So that keep everything running quiet. Dry shafts, plastic. But everything else is metal. So pretty cool. I like the black and red accent. Your battery comes here, but you know my style, guys. I'm putting the battery up here. I like the fact that they put that piece of metal right there, so when you jam the battery, you don't touch the spur gear. Let me put a battery in there and show you how that look. And what that does, that keep the weight up front, you know, like right here. See that? And the body has come and clip real nice right there. So I push this in here first, just like that, and I turn this around. You know, don't afraid to try it, guys. It really work good. When I tell you it work good, keep all the weight up front, you know. And you get your plug over here. See, just like that. The power button is right here. You still can pull this little tab here and adjust the motor if you want. It's got that little space right there that you can get a program card from HobbyWing, and you can program the motor if you want. But I think it's really, you know, perfect out of the box. I didn't do anything to the first one. I'm not going to do anything to the second one. It's pretty cool vehicle, you know, the design really nice. I like the carbon fiber. Oh, we got some weights up front. In the portal up here, you got some weights, portal axle cover. The servo is pretty good, guys. I never changed any one of the Ascent servo yet. They're strong, they're handling the pressure of the wheels, you know, pretty cool. The tires are really nice. The tires working real good. You know, I always keep the tires, and the only thing I do sometimes just open up the tread, remove one and leave one, remove one, leave one, just to open up space. But other than that, that's it. All right, so now we pop a battery in there, guys. Let's take it on the rocks. Well, the radio, if you don't know guys, is 4 battery, 4 AA batteries at the bottom here. And you also got this little space in the back of the radio right here. If you want to keep some things in, you know, clips or anything that can fit inside there. Got that little compartment there. Yep. It's a 4-channel radio, number 3, number 4, and I guess 1 and 2, or 2 and 1. And pretty simple. The off and on button is right here. Your throttle trim, steering trim, you know, pretty easy. Reverse steering, reverse throttle. Pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna set this up, guys, and we're gonna take it on the rocks. Of course, the paint job is beautiful on the Ascent Fusion body. All right, so we're gonna set it up and then let's go have some fun on the rocks and see how this thing performs. All right, guys, so we're here. Let's pull this plastic off and take this truck to work. Now check out this beautiful spot, guys. Let me give you a 360 so you can see what we're working with. We got the rain in the mix today, which I think is awesome. So we're gonna go and cover all these rocks. Check this out. It's beautiful. It's a little bit overcast, but trust me, I have no issue with that. No. All right, let's get to work. There we go. Right off the box, guys, this is what you get. Now let's put it on the test right here. Gonna go up this little hill. Check this out. This thing just walk up like nothing. Guys, like we have no challenge here for this trucking. This is just smooth sailing. Absolutely no challenge. That's the only issue, guys, out of the box. And when you turn the steering all the way, the body is touching. That's the only issue I could find with this truck. But everything else is flawless. Guys, I didn't have to touch anything on the radio or in the truck to say where I have to adjust the ESC or anything, you know? Nothing like that. And this truck is smooth. Guys, we have absolutely no challenge here. Absolutely no challenge for this truck right here. Right, I'm searching for places to give this truck a challenge, you know. See a little bridge here. Let's see what they're going to do on that little bridge. Let's give it a challenge here, guys. Let's see what they're going to do here. Check that low speed control. That's a little challenge right here. Check this out. That's a little challenge right there. And the low speed control make that look easy. That was a little bit of a challenge right there. But that's what I'm talking about, right off the box. This thing is amazing. And this is the reason why I have two. There's a little bit of heel right here. Let's see what it's gonna do. Check this out.